Hi guys, today I wanted to talk about just some of the hair products that I use. I broke them down in some different levels so it's really easy to understand. And I want to talk about just hair restoration, how I've been able to just rejuvenate my hair and get my hair back to a really healthy state, and I'm still trying to grow it out to butt length. So here's some of my tips and let's just get into it. Okay, so first I've broken up my products into first my shampoo, obviously the thing that I use the least, and then I broke down to my deep conditioners or my conditioners. So first off, I never wash out my conditioners. That is a major thing that I do, is I just don't wash them out because I think that it's just really important to keep that moisture in your hair. And also, I just like to keep it in my hair. So the main thing that I do is I just like to mix my conditioners. So this is my real favorite deep conditioner right now. Obviously it's a little too expensive for me to get the whole thing, but I went by Marshall's and I got just the sample. It was only $6, and I mixed that with my other stuff, but I'll show you that in a second. So this one is good, even though yes, we really not vibing with Shea Moisture right now, but this actually works pretty good, and it was kind of cheap. This I got from African Naturals. It's called Everyday Shea. And it's really good, and it just has a lot of slip. And I like to get a really big conditioner because I always make a deep conditioner out of my conditioners and my oils that I've separated. This is really good. I have no idea what that red stuff is. That's gross, so we're just going to move on. But I still like that. I like this conditioner because it's from the same brand as this one. Okay, so Shea Butter, key product because it is so heavy on my hair. If you have I really can't remember if it's high or low porosity, but my hair, it doesn't hold on to moisture that well. So, actually, okay, I take all that back. This is just good for my hair because it's good for my hair. Coconut oil, obviously, I mix these two. And then this mango butter, I'm telling y'all, this stuff is the truth. It's so light and so fluffy, but it still has some of the same properties of that shea butter. Castor oil, this has been my game changer for right now. Lately, this has just been and this is something new. I know everybody's been on the JVCO train. I am just getting aboard, and this is so bomb because what it does is it locks in my curls. Where am I here? It locks in my curl pattern, and it just elongates my stuff. And I'm going to show you because this is just a twist out that I did. And my hair used to not do this. I had to get it to a healthy state to where it was able to just be long enough to make this work. Okay. We'll get into it later. This is some sweet almond oil. Not that big of a fan, but it's good because I like just the more oils, the better. And then here are my stylers. This Curls Creme Brulee is really good for just having, if you want a Bantu knot. If you want your hair light and fluffy, this is what I would use because it works really well. But this curl stretch pudding, it just provides more slip. Definitely not a necessity. And then right here, I have some green tea because my hair has been kind of breaking. So today, after I wash my hair, I am going to, I'm going to put this on my hair because I heard this from Natural 85 to just put some green tea on your roots and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Okay, so this is the star of the show. This right here looks gross, I understand, but this is the star. So this right here, okay, I'll just explain it first. So this is my shea butter mix, mango butter, coconut oil, JBCO with rosemary, because I can't do all that nasty scent. That's just not going to work. Sweet almond oil, use whatever other oil you like. I put some of this in here. I think I put a couple pumps of this because I just needed more of a base. So I put some of this, and I use this a couple times, and I just refill as I need. So when this started to run out, I put some of this in here, a couple pumps of this conditioner. So basically what I use this for is for my deep conditioners / hot oil treatments. It looks like this because I heated it up. So you see all the yellows, and you see the separation, of course, because this is the conditioner. The white stuff is the conditioner, and obviously all the other yellow stuff, that is the oils. Excuse the hairs, and that's kind of gross. Okay, But the reason why I heat this up is because it penetrates my hair shaft a lot better. And it's just a lot better to use it heated up for your deep conditioners, and also I use it as my stylers. So what I've been doing is I've been twisting my hair after I wash, and just like put a regular conditioner like this in it. And when I go to twist my hair, I will twist my hair with this and this. So what I really like about this is that this is the LOC method all in one step, because it has your conditioner in it, it has your oils, and it has your cream. Okay, it does not have your cream. This is your cream. But whatever, the conditioners, they all the same thing. Why is my camera acting crazy? But yeah, so this is what I use, and I'll show you like, what am I trying to say? I'll show you exactly like the steps that I use to do this. I wash my hair first, then I put this in there for my deep conditioner. I wash that out after about an hour or so, and then I come back and put this in here. This just a regular conditioner, and then I put this back in here in a less amount. I don't like coat my hair so much with it like I did for the deep conditioner, and I pair that with this as I twist my hair. So that is what I do like on a weekly basis. I do that. I wash my hair all that once a week, and then I do like my twisting. I retwist it with this and this, maybe like on a Wednesday or a Thursday, just to rejuvenate my hair. And also throughout the week, if my hair is like getting a little dry, I can always put just a little bit of this. I can always put a little bit of this in my hair. And I may spray it with a water bottle. I may not, because a lot of those oils that I have there can penetrate through the hair shaft. Actually, just coconut oil. I'll take that back. I ain't gonna lie. It's just coconut oil that can penetrate through your hair shaft without having to have any water in it. So it's really nice. It's very cost effective. I know this looks like a lot of stuff, but you don't have to have all this stuff. This is just the oil mix that I have found that works for me. And it's just what I found that just really works good for my hair. And it just seals in the moisture, and it just provides the hair restoration. That's what I'm all about right now. It's just hair restoration. So if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. I know this was like all over the place, a mess, but you know, I'm gonna get there. Oh my gosh, this is ridiculous. Okay, see y'all later. Bye.